Let's take a look at the chart action for Spotify. All right, so Spotify is in the news because of Joe Rogan, and I wanted to take a look at the chart because I saw some tweets basically saying that Spotify was getting dumped on, or it's getting dumped right now, and it does look like it's getting a pretty big correction. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. We had support, and it looks like we had a trend line, something like this, but it does look like we broke it and we are pushing to the downside. Now that we're breaking this trend, going down, the next spots that I'm looking at are the previous support levels. So we have support right here, we have support right here, right here, and right here. These levels are sitting at the bottom of them. The bottoms of them are sitting around 110. This one is sitting around 111, and this one is sitting around 105. Let's go ahead and jump. Actually, this is a pretty good time frame. Let's do a trend line from the bottom, on the bottom of something like this. In general, what I'm thinking is we could draw this trend line out something like this, and it's possible that the price is going to come down and hit this target over here, or this trend line, should I say. We have resistance. We have a couple of resistance spots on the top. Let's go ahead and draw those out real quick. We have resistance, resistance, and resistance. We're looking at these trend lines, something like this. We were holding support on this trend line right here, but we broke that. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. We can delete this right now because it's not holding support anymore. Right now, what I'm looking at is this trend line right here. Until we break this, going to the upside, I'm looking at this bottom down here. Like I said, I don't trade Spotify, or I'm not invested in it. I just kind of wanted to look at the chart because it was in the news and it does look like it's trending down. If you are interested in Spotify and are looking to pick some more up at a good price because it's falling down right now, I would probably be looking at this area right here at around maybe 115 approximately, or these bottoms down here at around 110, something like that. Who knows where it's going to stop or where it's going to get a bounce at, but these are the possible levels I would be kind of looking at for a possible bounce. And like I said, if it breaks this trend line going to the upside, then that would be another signal. That would be a good spot to maybe get in if you're interested in Spotify, or you want to lower your average because you were buying in this area right here. It was pretty high for a while, and right now it looks like it's getting like a nice little correction. In general, I think the stock market is getting a correction in general, so I kind of wanted to check this chart out just to see how bad it really was. And I guess if we go to the daily time frame, let's kind of see how many, let's see how much percentage it's dropped in the past day or two, because I think this is pretty much when the news has been kind of wrecking it. It's like 10% today, which is pretty decent for a stock, I think. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about Spotify. If you guys are new to trading, check out this video right here. It's a video about when I buy and sell. It kind of explains some of the strategies that I went through in this video. All right, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.